Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy Talk English channel.
Hi, everyone. We're happy you're here today.
My name is John.
And I'm Emma.
Today, we have a fun topic.
Yes, we are talking about a grandmother who learns social media.
That's right. This story is funny, sweet, and very real.
Maybe someone in your family is learning social media too.
My grandmother definitely is.
Mine too.
Well, let's get started.
John, can I ask you something?
Of course.
Does your grandmother use social media?
She does now, but a year ago, she didn't even know what social media was.
Really?
Yes, she thought Facebook was a book with people's faces in it.
That's actually kind of cute.
It was. One day she asked me, "John, where can I buy this Facebook?"
Oh no.
I laughed so hard.
My grandmother was similar. She got her first smartphone when she was 72.
Wow,
At first, she only used it to call people.
that's simple enough.
Then she learned how to send text messages.
That's a big step.
It was. She was very proud.
Grandparents get excited about small technology victories.
That's true.
So, how did your grandmother start using social media?
Well, during the holidays, everyone in our family was sharing photos online.
Okay,
She felt left out.
I understand.
She wanted to see pictures of her grandchildren.
That's a good reason.
So I helped her create an account.
Was it easy?
Not at all. First, she had to choose a username.
That's always interesting.
She wanted her username to be the Queen.
That's amazing.
Then she tried Grandma Superstar.
Even better.
Finally, she picked Happy Grandma.
That's perfect.
What about your grandmother?
She joined because of cooking videos.
Really?
Yes, she loves cooking.
That's nice.
One day, I showed her a short video about making apple pie.
And she liked it?
She loved it.
Then what happened?
She spent 3 hours watching cooking videos.
3 hours?
3 whole hours.
That's exactly what happens to everyone.
Social media can be very addictive.
It sure can.
Did your grandmother make any mistakes when she started?
Oh, many mistakes.
Tell me one.
One day, she wanted to send a private message to me.
Okay.
Instead, she posted it for everyone to see.
Oh no.
She said, "Emma, remember to buy toilet paper."
That's hilarious.
Hundreds of people saw it.
That's unforgettable.
She was so embarrassed.
Poor grandma.
Did your grandmother have any funny moments?
Absolutely.
Tell me.
She discovered emojis.
Uh-oh.
At first, she loved them,
Everyone loves emojis.
but she didn't understand all of them.
That can be dangerous.
One day, she sent me 20 crying emojis.
Was she sad?
No, she was excited about a new cake recipe.
That's the wrong emoji.
Exactly.
What did you do?
I called her immediately.
Because you thought something bad happened.
Yes.
And?
And she answered happily and said, "Look at my beautiful cake."
That's adorable. My grandmother learned about hashtags recently.
Oh, this should be good.
She thought hashtags were just decoration.
Really?
Yes.
What did she do?
She wrote things like hashtag dinner, hashtag chicken, hashtag fork, hashtag table, hashtag socks.
Socks?
Nobody knows why socks.
That's wonderful.
She uses hashtags for everything.
I kinda love that. Social media can actually be helpful for older people.
I agree.
My grandmother talks to old friends online.
That's great.
Some of them live far away.
Social media helps people stay connected.
Exactly.
My grandmother joined a gardening group.
Nice.
She shares pictures of flowers.
Does she enjoy it?
Very much.
That's wonderful.
She says she learns new gardening tips every week.
Has social media changed your grandmother's daily life?
A little bit.
How so?
She takes more photos now.
Really?
Before, she almost never took pictures.
Interesting.
Now she photographs flowers, birds, food, and even clouds.
Sounds like she's becoming an artist.
Maybe she is.
That's pretty cool.
My favorite moment happened last month.
What happened?
One of her videos became popular.
Seriously?
Yes.
What was the video about?
Making homemade cookies.
Everyone loves cookies.
The video got thousands of views.
Wow.
She was so excited.
I would be too.
She called everyone in the family.
Let me guess. She felt famous.
Exactly.
Did she start calling herself an influencer?
Funny you ask.
Uh-oh.
She actually did.
No way.
She said, "Emma, I think I'm an influencer now."
That's amazing.
Then she asked if influencers get free cookies.
That's a reasonable question.
I suppose it is.
My grandmother has become more confident since learning social media.
That's nice to hear.
She used to be nervous about technology,
Many older people do.
but now she feels comfortable using her phone.
Learning new things can build confidence.
Exactly.
Age doesn't stop people from learning.
That's a very important lesson.
Sometimes younger people think older people can't learn technology,
That's true.
but that's not always correct.
Definitely not.
Learning may take more time,
Sure.
but many grandparents are very determined.
My grandmother certainly is.
Mine too.
What advice would you give to someone teaching social media to a grandparent?
First, be patient.
Great advice.
Don't rush.
Agreed.
Explain things slowly.
Yes,
And remember that some words are new to them.
like hashtag, follower, and profile.
Exactly.
Those words can sound strange at first.
Also, celebrate small successes.
That's important.
If they learn how to post a photo, celebrate.
Absolutely.
If they learn how to send a message, celebrate that too.
Learning should feel fun.
I couldn't agree more.
You know, this conversation makes me want to call my grandmother.
Me too.
Maybe she'll send me another cake photo.
Hopefully not 20 crying emojis.
Hopefully not.
And maybe my grandmother will post another strange hashtag.
Hashtag socks?
Definitely hashtag socks. Well, today's story shows that learning never stops.
That's right.
Whether you're young or old, you can always learn something new.
Social media can feel scary at first,
But with patience and practice, it becomes easier.
and sometimes it can even be fun.
Very fun.
Thank you everyone for listening to our conversation today.
We hope you learned some new English words and expressions.
And maybe you thought about someone in your family too.
If you enjoyed this conversation, keep practicing your English every day.
Small steps lead to big progress.
Thanks for spending time with us.
Take care, everyone.
See you next time on Easy Talk English Channel.
Bye.